Welcome back to a new vlog, you guys. Well, today's vlog I am gonna teach you guys how to remove the sound deadening, and that's pretty hard to like take off, but I found an easy way how to do it. I am not gonna use dry ice. What I am going to use is a duster. What is it? Dust off. It's compression gas. I got this in where did I go? In Walmart. They also sell it in Target. I got the set of 2, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let's do this. I'm not trying to make it long as fuck, so let's just get to work, you guys. Let's go. The things that you're gonna need for this is, obviously you guys are gonna need safety glasses because this thing goes everywhere. And another thing, well, I'm using a screwdriver so I can hit it because I really don't want to dent the car from the inside. But it also works with a hammer. I'm not trying to use a hammer because I don't want to dent it, like I said. But you know what? Let's go. The way to use the duster is keeping it like that, upside down, because if you use it like that, I don't think, let me try. See, if you use it like that, no ice comes out. So you're gonna have to use it backwards, and then it'll start going like that, freezing up until you guys see it white, and then obviously you hit it. Let me put on my safety glasses. So obviously you hit it. As y'all can see, I didn't put a lot.
But I never really knew that it was over till the quiet and the echoes became colder. And I never really knew that it was over till the quiet and the echoes became colder. Took my love and gave it back. It's yours to leave, but it won't keep me from this heart attack. And I'll try to carry on again, but I never really knew that it was over. was over, till the quiet and the echoes became colder. I never really knew that it was over, till the quiet and the echoes became colder.
But you guys, I think that's it for this vlog. Let me know if you guys want to see like actual tutorials, not like fast forward videos. But I mean, that's pretty much it. So this vlog is about how to remove sound deadening. So I had pretty much fun doing this. This car, I don't know, but I'm gonna learn so much in this car because literally everything's my first time. Like doing the roof is my first time. Taking off sound deadening is my first time. I didn't even know it would have come off with a duster, you know, a gas duster or whatever it is. But I'm learning my way to a car, and it's cool to know stuff like this. I don't know, you guys, I just think it's pretty cool. I'm glad that I'm learning my own way, but let's see how much I get done on this car meanwhile it's sitting down. So I think that's it, you guys. Like I said one more time, I think that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You know, I just can't stop looking at the car. But it's gonna be so cool. Whoever stayed tuned with us, watching this car come back alive, better than ever. You know, I'm gonna be happy how far I'm gonna go with this car. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, keep, you know, you guys keep tuned because there's gonna be way more videos. So just stay tuned, you guys. This is